Menteri Bapet Yakatan Tourism jaga Khhuborjylla ba Pol Lingdo ulaong ba ki kam Jngoh kai perthei hajala kila Kiew stat bha hadin ba kajala kala penlong ya ki tamasa ruai ki ba he da ka ba khring ki Nongrwai ba paunam ka perthei habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor uba Pol ulakam ki pat ba na ki we pat ki benta jongkari tang baki wan ban sngap ki te ki Nongrwai ba paunam ki ba wan cha Meghalaya hanrei ki penlut ru e ka por jongki ban let chek ki jaka Jngoh kai ki ba paunam ha kajala ulaong da kini kita masa kin wanra ki jingkla bat ki jingkew ha ka kamai kaji jong kajala ka badai ru ka thong ka ba khmat e jong ka sarkar ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot jong ki pat ba nong song snong.
And it's been a while, but I still feel the same. Maybe I should let you go. That I find wondering that tonight I'll so in love.
Very steadily improving the ecosystem across the state, trying to improve road connectivity, for instance, availability of homestays and such facilities. And wherever we have been able to attract musicians so far, these have been the first preference for all these artists is that there should be adequate and well-maintained accommodation facilities. We have made a sample survey where we found out that along with, say for Ed Sheeran, for instance, we had Ed Sheeran and a day later, that was Mr. Big. So quite a good number of those tourists also stayed back for Mr. Big. That apart, they also traveled to Sora, Dauki and the Omiam areas, and with more than 4,000 crores being announced as investment in the tourism sector, we look forward to a major change happening within the next 2 years. We will now concentrate on improving our infrastructure. As you can see, the ropeway project has taken off. Major circuits are also being linked with, in the sense that instead of just one village, we have 5 tourist centers being linked, and visitors will be encouraged to visit each of those circuits. That apart, we will also enlarge the tourism map, the annual map which we have announced, which we announce every year, to now include more areas, including newfound locations.